Hey there, fellow treasure hunters! Welcome back to my channel, where we uncover the best gadgets and tools for your epic adventures. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 metal detectors of 2023. These cutting-edge devices will revolutionize your treasure hunting experience, helping you unearth hidden gems, relics, and valuable artifacts. From advanced detection capabilities to user-friendly interfaces, these metal detectors have earned their spot on our list. Links to all the featured products can be found in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and don't miss out on any future treasure hunting escapades by ringing that notification bell. Let's get started with the top 5 metal detectors. Starting at number 5, Gold Hunter 75 Metal Detector. Introducing the Gold Hunter 75 Metal Detector, a powerful tool that will revolutionize your metal detecting experience. This exceptional detector is designed with advanced features to help you uncover hidden treasures with ease. The Gold Hunter 75 features a user-friendly light screen, providing clear and precise information about your findings. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced detectorist, the light display ensures that you stay informed throughout your detecting journey. With its battery-powered operation, the Gold Hunter 75 offers the convenience of portability. You can take it anywhere, whether you're exploring beaches, parks, or archaeological sites. It is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Built with durability in mind, this metal detector is fully waterproof. You can confidently search in wet conditions, including shallow water, rivers, and streams. The waterproof feature adds versatility to your detecting capabilities and allows you to explore various terrains. Equipped with a 13 kHz working frequency, the Gold Hunter 75 is optimized to detect a wide range of metals. Whether you're searching for gold, silver, coins, or relics, this detector delivers accurate and reliable results. The standard search coil included with the Gold Hunter 75 is an 11-inch double decoil. This coil provides excellent coverage and depth, increasing your chances of finding buried treasures. It is designed to maximize your detecting efficiency and ensure that no valuable item goes unnoticed. The lightweight's telescopic handle stem enhances comfort during long detecting sessions. You can adjust the length to suit your preference and easily maneuver the detector without straining your arm. One of the standout features of the Gold Hunter 75 is its wireless headphone capability. The detector is equipped with a built-in battery and includes a charger cable for convenient recharging. With the wireless headphone feature, you can detect without any hassle of tangled wires, allowing you to focus solely on your detecting experience. The Gold Hunter 75 comes packaged in a color box, ensuring that it arrives safely and ready for use. The packaging is designed to protect the detector and provide a visually appealing presentation. At number 4, King Detector TEX 850 Metal Detector. Introducing the King Detector TEX 850 Metal Detector, a powerful tool that will take your treasure hunting adventures to new heights. With its advanced features and exceptional performance, this metal detector is a game changer for both beginners and experienced detectorists. The TEX 850 is equipped with a clear light screen, allowing you to easily view and interpret important information while detecting. Combined with the sound indicator, it ensures that you never miss a valuable find. Whether you prefer visual cues or audio signals, this metal detector has got you covered. Powered by batteries, the TEX 850 offers the convenience of portability without compromising on performance. It provides up to 15 hours of battery life, giving you ample time to explore and uncover hidden treasures. This metal detector offers versatile detection modes to suit your specific needs. You can choose between full metal detection, disk mode for identifying different metals, and pinpoint mode for precise locating. This flexibility allows you to customize your detecting experience and focus on the targets that matter to you. The TEX 850 is capable of detecting a wide range of valuable items, including gold, jewelry, relics, coins, and all metal types. Its adjustable sensitivity ensures that you can fine-tune the detector to maximize your chances of finding valuable treasures. With a typical detection depth of 25 centimeters for US sense, you can confidently search for buried artifacts and collectibles. Designed for comfort and ease of use, the TEX 850 features an adjustable height of extension aluminum tube, ranging from 107 to 130 centimeters. This allows you to find the most comfortable position while detecting, reducing strain and fatigue during extended search sessions. The package list for the TEX 850 offers you 6 items to choose from, ensuring that you have the necessary accessories and components to enhance your metal detecting experience. You can select the package that best suits your needs and preferences, giving you added value and convenience. With a net weight of 1.65 to 1.8 kilograms, the TEX 850 strikes a balance between portability and stability. It is lightweight enough to carry around comfortably while providing the durability and sturdiness required for outdoor use. At number 3, Tangzhen TEX 850 Metal Detector. Introducing the Tangzhen TEX 850 Metal Detector, a professional-grade tool that brings the excitement of treasure hunting to a whole new level. Packed with advanced features and exceptional performance, this metal detector is a must-have for enthusiasts and serious detectorists. Equipped with an unlocked screen, the TEX 850 provides clear and precise visual information, allowing you to easily navigate through different settings and monitor your detection progress. The light screen, combined with the sound indicator, ensures that you won't miss a single target. Powered by batteries, this metal detector offers convenient and portable operation. You can embark on your detecting adventures without worrying about power sources or cables, giving you the freedom to explore various terrains. The TEX 850 boasts a versatile detection capability, making it suitable for various applications. Whether you're searching for gold, jewelry, relics, coins, or any metal object, this metal detector has got you covered. It offers a detection depth of up to 25 centimeters for US cents, ensuring that you can uncover buried treasures with ease. With a frequency of 19.23 Ks and light control, the TEX 850 delivers precise and accurate detection. You can fine-tune the settings to optimize performance based on your specific needs. The earphone jack and volume and sensitivity adjustment features further enhance your detecting experience, allowing you to customize the detector to your preferences. The ground balance range of the TEX 850 is truly impressive. From ferrite to salt water, this metal detector offers exceptional ground balance capabilities, reducing interference from mineralization and ensuring accurate target identification. Designed for comfort and usability, the TEX 850 features a stretchable length of 42 to 52 inches, allowing you to adjust it to your preferred height. The 11-inch waterproof and interchangeable search coil enhances versatility and durability, enabling you to explore various environments with confidence. With its remarkable sensitivity, the TEX 850 can detect US coins at depths ranging from 12 to 15 inches. This high sensitivity ensures that you won't miss valuable targets that are buried deep beneath the surface. At number 2, Tricore Power TEX 850 Metal Detector. Introducing the Tricore Power TEX 850 Metal Detector, a powerful and reliable tool for all your metal detecting needs. With its advanced features and high-quality performance, this metal detector is a must-have for treasure hunters and enthusiasts alike. The TEX 850 is equipped with a clear light screen that provides essential information and real-time feedback during your detecting sessions. You can easily track and analyze the detected signals, enhancing your ability to locate valuable items. Powered by a reliable battery, this metal detector ensures long-lasting performance and eliminates the need for frequent replacements. With just one 9-volt battery, you can enjoy extended detecting sessions without interruptions. The frequency of 19.23 Ks, controlled by a crystal, enables precise and accurate metal detection. This frequency range allows the TEX 850 to effectively detect a wide variety of metals, including small and deeply buried objects. The metal detector features multiple indication modes, including light and sound indicators. The light display provides visual cues, while the sound indicator emits distinct tones to alert you of potential targets. With these dual indication modes, you can confidently identify and locate buried treasures. One of the standout features of the TEX 850 is its ground balance range. From ferrite to salt water, this metal detector offers exceptional ground balance capabilities, ensuring optimal performance across different terrains. It minimizes false signals caused by ground mineralization and maximizes your chances of finding valuable items. With its basic sensitivity, the TEX 850 is capable of detecting used coins at impressive depths of 12 to 15 inches. This high sensitivity level allows you to uncover hidden treasures that may be overlooked by other metal detectors. At number 1, Smart Sensor 2000 mAh Metal Detector. Introducing the Smart Sensor 2000 mAh Metal Detector, a professional-grade tool for treasure hunting and metal detection enthusiasts. This metal detector is packed with features that make it a reliable and efficient device for various applications. Equipped with a rechargeable 2000 mAh Li battery, the Smart Sensor Metal Detector provides long-lasting power for extended detecting sessions. You can explore with confidence knowing that you have a reliable power source that will keep you going. With its compact and lightweight design weighing only 312 grams, this metal detector is easy to handle and transport. It measures 8,043,425 millimeters, making it convenient to carry on your treasure hunting adventures. The Smart Sensor Metal Detector offers a variety of detectable indications, including alarm buzzer, vibration, and earphone output. You can choose the detection mode that suits your preference, ensuring that you never miss any valuable finds. Featuring a detectable size of 551 millimeters and a maximum explored depth of 8 meters, 50,501, 2 centimeters. This metal detector is capable of detecting various metals, including aluminum, copper, iron, and rare metals. Whether you're searching for coins, jewelry, or artifacts, this metal detector will help you uncover hidden treasures. The sensitivity adjustment and earphone jack provide customizable settings to enhance your detecting experience. You can fine-tune the sensitivity level to target specific metals and reduce false signals. Additionally, you have the option to connect your earphones for discrete and immersive detection. The Smart Sensor Metal Detector offers different detectable modes, such as ground balance and discrimination. These features allow you to adapt to different environments and filter out unwanted signals, focusing on valuable targets. With a signal frequency of 7.0 kHz, this metal detector delivers accurate and reliable detection results. It effectively scans the ground and identifies potential treasures, helping you make the most out of your hunting expeditions.